Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to full screen in a laptop and PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we have this universal operating system shortcut. For Windows, for example, we have F11. Alright, so just basically press F11 on your keyboard. This works for almost all web browsers and also some games or applications. Let's say we have here a browser, right? So I'm going to press F11 on my keyboard and it's now on full screen. F11 once more to get out of full screen. Or you could go ahead and use this feature as well. All right, minimize, maximize, but it's not full screen. Again, F11. All right. And for Mac, if you have Mac, all right, if you have Mac computer, you can press Control plus the Command key plus F. Command, again, Control plus Command plus F simultaneously to toggle full screen mode on Mac OS. If you wanted to open up a video, for example, this video right here, now I'm going to click on F11 again. All right, as you can see, F11, F11. There you go. And that is a full screen on laptop and PC. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.